Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atinuke. So today I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this DIY jungle box braid. Is a new hairstyle. I'm really amazed the way I achieved this gorgeous braided wig, jumbo braided wig. So I used 2 and a little pack of expression braiding hair. I didn't even finish half pack, so let me just say I used 2 and a half pack, but it was not even up to half. I just took out a little bit of hair out of the new pack. So now I cut my lace closure, 4x4 lace closure. I cut it into 2. I'm going to be using half to achieve this gorgeous wig. You can see I've already shown you from the beginning how I pick the hair out, how I brush it. Then now I'm sewing down the lace closure. So I love using this method. It will allow my work to be very easy and fast. So this is a very beginner friendly for you to know the amount of line you are going to braid on. Now I've already done the first track off camera. Now let's get into the second track. So I'm going to be crocheting with a little amount of hair, then I'll braid it down with another little amount of hair. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate it so much. If you just subscribe, can you please click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, support a sis by clicking on the subscribe button, because I have a lot of amazing video to share with you, my lovely people. Yeah, so you can see when you braid a little bit, like you braid like 1 2 3, then you pick little amount of hair out, little with your fingernail tip, but I don't have fingernails, so I'm using my hand to pick it out. You can see, just pick it a little bit. This hairstyle is just like butterfly locks, but it's different. It's a braid distress hair. So just pick a little bit out, a little. You can see the way I'm doing it. So there is nothing difficult about this hairstyle. Very easy to do. I used 2 days in achieving this hairstyle. On a normal day, I'll use 1 day to achieve it, but I have kids, I have family to attend to, and I have to create content for you guys also. So that is why it's necessary to support a sis by clicking on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So you can see how it looks like now. I'm done with the second track, and so I'm using my hand to demonstrate the next place you have to crochet on. Then you have to braid on. Take a little bit amount of hair, braid with another little amount of hair. Then I pick a little bit out. I hope you grab what I'm trying to explain. This hairstyle came out so bomb, as in so good, so beautiful. So kindly please keep on watching. I forgot to mention that I cut each pack of braids into 4 sections. Yes. The way you started from the beginning. Don't add a lot of hair at the back, or else the hair is going to be very heavy, and again it won't come out so beautiful. It won't even go with your look, it won't go with your face, as in, so you don't have to add a lot of hair from the beginning at the back. Where you are going to cover all the excess back is at the top. I need to explain this part. Is at the top before you now braid with your lace closure. Before you braid it down, is at the top, the last track. So that is what I'm trying to do now, just covering the top part so that the down where I didn't crochet it won't show. I hope I tried in explaining. I don't know what happened to my camera. Once in a while it's just out of focus. I'm sorry for that, guys, but it's towards the end when I'm braiding the tip, the camera always come out of focus. I don't know why. Just support your girl so that your girl can get a good camera by watching, subscribe, don't skip my heart. You understand? Support in this industry so that I can get a very good camera that will just focus. Boom, that it will come out of focus when I'm giving you guys the best content. Do you grab that? So at the back you can see what I'm saying. At the last track, you have to work a lot at the last track so that it will cover all this back that is showing. You understand? You have to, when you are braiding, do not place your hand out. You have to braid close to each other. At the closure parts, you can see this place I want to section out. You have to braid it to the back. The little place I'm sectioning out, you have to braid it to the back. I didn't show where I was braiding it, so I just want to show you guys the way I section it, and you must braid it to the back. After I finish sectioning it, I'm going to use my hand to pluck out a little bit. I plucked out a little bit. I didn't think I showed the place where I'm plucking out a little bit when I want to start braiding the side. This closure is 4x4, but I cut it into 2. Now it's 2x2. So I section the closure into 4. 2 at the left side, 2 at the right side. Do you grab that out? I'm using needle to section it out. Sorry, I'm using needle because it's very easier than the cotton comb I'm using. So just the same method here. After I braid down, I pick a little bit. You can see that is the cocoa. Final step, I'm using candle just to burn the tip. I won't burn it to come off itself. I'll burn it a little bit, then I'll use scissors to cut it off, so that way it won't stick to your clothes, it won't scratch your skin. Because if you burn the tip off with the candle, it's going to, as in towards the end, will form like a pencil that is very strong. I don't know how I'm going to explain that, but this method is good. Burn, then you use your scissors to cut it off. Now I'm using mousse, then I'm using some oil sheen to add some shine. Now I'm cutting the excess lace away. So guys, this is the final look. I love the outcome of this hairstyle. This hairstyle look as if I use my hair in braiding it. You can see the back, there is nothing showing at the back. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Support your girl by clicking on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. I really appreciate you guys so much. Please don't stop, keep supporting your girl. If you're still watching towards the end, thank you so much. You're so amazing. See you in my next video. Stay blessed. Ciao. Love you. Mwah.